biggest shift is gone from being a local game to a global price check, and it creates what I call pricing ripple splash. The biggest misconception is that China is a single, uniform source of quality. It's not. A developer client had 36 townhouses locked in. We rescued the project from insolvency.
A lot of the value you provide is invisible to the client, happening in the background in China. If you had to explain that invisible work in simple terms, how would you describe it?
Well, imagine you are building a house here, and you got a project manager on site. They are not swinging the hammer, but they are making sure every nail, wire, and beam is exactly where it needs to be. That's us. But on the another side of the ocean, our invisible work is being your unseen project manager inside the Chinese supply chain. While you are focused on your side here, we focused on your side there. In simple terms, we are doing 3 critical jobs you never seen. 1. We are the bullshit filter. Before a factory even knows your name, we vetted their business license, audited their environmental compliance, and verified their export certification. We filtered out the 95% of the supplier that are a risk, so you only ever meet the top 5%. 2. We are the specification translator. Your Australian standards and architectural drawings don't just get emailed. We have bilingual engineer who turns them into factory production Bible. We are in the factory measuring sample thickness with calipers, checking weld quality, and make sure matte black in Shenzhen matches matte black in Cereal Hill. We are the crisis anticipator. We monitor shipping, land delays, Chinese holiday closures, and raw material price shifts. When a storm shuts down a port, we already rerouted your container through another one before it becomes your 2-week delay. So, the simplest way to put it, you see a container arrive at your site. What you don't see are the 100 problems we solved for it to get there on time, on budget, and to the exact standard you require. Our job is to make a complex 10,000 kilometer supply chain feel as simple and reliable as a local delivery, and to absorb all the chaos so you don't have to.